I just was thinking this morning it's an apt name because I really was in a place where I felt kind of hopeless, and I didn't know where to go. I had been diagnosed with Sjogren syndrome probably 4 years before, and I'd been seeing a rheumatologist, basically just getting blood work done, and he had told me some of the things. I had dry mouth and dry eyes. I had lost my sense of smell. One of the manifestations of Sjogren's is a type of arthritis that I was told, at least, that could be disfiguring at some point. And so it was in that place that I started just looking for other options, because I'm really sensitive to medication, and I was really scared about all the side effects that would come from taking that. And then just kind of a chance meeting, I met somebody who talked about Dr. Brad. So I came, and I remember I was seeing him for 3 times a week at first. It was pretty in serious condition. But over time, I just started to see some changes. And I think the thing that has meant the most to me, especially at the beginning, but over the last 14 years, is that everything, almost everything, every symptom I have, and I have a lot of different little symptoms that don't make sense to me, and that I've brought up to doctors before, and it's never made sense to them either. But Dr. Brad or Wells or Sue can usually figure out what the cause is and find something to do to help it. And so I just think Hope Clinic is a really apt name, because it's given me hope. All the practitioners here have just given me hope that my body can heal. I'm not free of Sjogren syndrome, but I'm so much better than I was. I don't really have aches and pains anymore. And when the aches in my hands start to come up, we can usually tweak my Chinese herbs or my supplements, and then it goes away. And I just feel a lot different about my future. I used to look at my future and wonder if I was going to be disabled or not have any teeth, or kind of be disfigured by arthritis. And there were just so many possibilities, partly because of what I've read about Sjogren's patients and how some of them have a really severe disease. And I think along the way, I've just learned to be more hopeful about what's possible for my body to be able to turn itself around with help and support. I just feel a lot more hopeful about my body and about my future.